All right, today is a very exciting day. Our new garage door is about to arrive any minute. It is going to be installed, and I can't wait to take you through the entire process with me because, you know what they say about a new garage door. It gives you instant curb appeal, but there's so much more to that. It's going to give us that instant welcome. It really transforms the entire home, and it makes you think, well, maybe my garage needs a little bit of work. Well, we're going to walk you through the entire journey because first, it started with this old door. This is what we've been living with. No, this is not my hiking stick. Let me just say that there are garage door openers, and yes, there are garage door openers. Needless to say, it's time for a new one, you think? So behind me here is all of our stuff. This is what's holding what was in the garage. We had to quickly get it out because we're on a time schedule to go through this garage remodel. A lot of times you don't have time to go and downsize all of your stuff, take the time of what you're going to keep and what you're going to toss. We are now waiting any minute for the crew to arrive to demolish our concrete slab. The floor had this huge earthquake-prone crack through the middle of it, and it was not even, and it wasn't worthy of really working with our new garage door that we're going to be installing. So we're going to take you through the process of what happens when first you choose a garage door and then everything else that might come with it on the inside.
That away now. Easy as that.
I mean, minutes.
Yes. Really simple.
All right. Goodbye, old door. I'm not gonna miss you. So, Eric, you were saying that this, our old garage door is not going to a junkyard.
It's not. They recycle it. They take it to Mexico and build houses.
So now the guys are installing the garage door opener, but it's not any door opener. It is LiftMaster's new innovation and generation of door openers. I mean, it's 75% more efficient, and it's smarter because, well, now I can operate the garage door from my iPhone or any internet device. And then if someone opens the door that I don't know is opening the door, it'll text me, so I'll know. Talk about super safe. innovation in garage garage doors has really evolved over the years, from energy efficiency and durability to beauty and fashion. And that's why I fell in love with Clopay's Canyon Ridge collection. It has the look and feel of real wood, although it's mixed with this polymer material to protect it from ever having rot or losing its beauty. And check out the windows. Now, if you're artistic like I am, you are going to love this adding the flakes to the epoxy flooring process. It's very fun, it's very creative, and it's frankly a lot like throwing confetti at a party. Open sesame.